What's the matter?
Nothing.
Kitty?
I got into trouble at school today because I took Hero to school.
You mustn't take pets to school.
But why?
Because it's a rule. Can you think of any other school rules? Things you must or mustn't do?
I mustn't eat in class. I mustn't shout or be cheeky. And I mustn't take pets to school.
And what about things you must do?
We must wear school uniform. We must do our homework. And we must arrive on time. Oh, and our teacher said that tonight I must stay up late and I absolutely must watch a film.
Now that's cheeky. You must go to bed early before I catch you. I'm coming after you.